Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from the date of 6 towards 10th February 2023. Now GBPJPY on a weekly time frame in this week continued to face strong bearish momentum by facing resistance at this key level where it created multiple highs from the previous multiple weeks and made a breakout of the previous week's low to come all the way down, closing this week with this bearish engulfing candle. Now this pullback move from GBPJPY after this bullish engulfing move was exactly at 0.786 on the FEB level, as you can see over here, and right after a retest on that FEB level it faced some strong price ejection over here, as you can see. Now this pullback move from GBPJPY could either continue to form higher lows and continue to push up from here while moving in respect to this possible uptrend line being formed over here, or GBPJPY could face some sort of resistance around here and continue pushing down, continuing this bearish momentum to make a breakout of these previous lows to create new lower low, continuing this bearish run over here. Now if you get even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, excuse me, then we can see this beautiful uptrend line that GBPJPY is currently moving in respect to. As you can see, it is still looking like GBPJPY is still respecting this uptrend line over here since we don't have a breakout of this uptrend line. Similarly, we have a key zone over here with multiple major retest points, which we are currently expecting to be GBPJPY's new resistance zone, and this is our new support level on a higher time frame point of view. So what it means is that for GBPJPY to continue pushing down, making a breakout of this uptrend line, it needs to make a break and close below this higher time frame key level over here with further bearish momentum. Similarly, for GBPJPY to continue pushing up in respect to this uptrend line, it needs to make a break and close above this key zone with further bullish momentum, indicating that bulls are still in power, and this was a pullback move since it just made a breakout of a major key zone with further bullish momentum. Now if you get even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, then we can see the same key levels and zones that we just talked about on the higher time frame, and also we can see this downtrend line, like a possible downtrend line over here with these two retest points, which also aligns with our higher time frame resistance zone that we just talked about right around here. So on the upcoming week, if you see GBPJPY while respecting this low or this key level as its support and continuing to form higher lows to come all the way retest this key zone, then it would also be making a retest on this possible downtrend line over here as well. And if we see GBPJPY facing strong price ejection from that key zone and forming some sort of support over here on a shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame and making a break and close below that support level with further bearish momentum, then we would expect GBPJPY to be respecting this downtrend line, respecting this key zone as its resistance, and continuing to push down in respect to this downtrend line to come all the way, create new lower low to make a retest on this higher time frame support level over here. And if we see GBPJPY even making a break and close below that major key level with further bearish momentum, then just like we talked about on the higher time frame, it might continue to push down, creating new lower low to come all the way retest this key level with multiple major retest points over here, continuing this bearish run and also continuing this higher time frame downtrend line over here. However, if we see GBPJPY, instead of respecting this key zone as its resistance, if we see GBPJPY making a break and close above this key zone with further bullish momentum, then that would also be an indication of GBPJPY making a breakout of a possible downtrend line that it could have had over here, and that might mean GBPJPY could have found its support over here and might continue to push up to make a retest on this next key level over here with further bullish momentum. And in that case, if it even makes a break and close above this key level, then this is the next key level where we expect GBPJPY to continue pushing up to while moving in respect to this higher time frame uptrend line over here to come all the way up, creating new low, higher high to make a retest on this key level over here. Now it all depends on these two higher time frame resistance zone and higher time frame support level. We need to wait to see for a break and close above this resistance zone with further bullish momentum, or a break and close below this major support level with further bearish momentum to anticipate whether GBPJPY would be continuing to push up in respect to this higher time frame uptrend line to create new low higher high over here, or whether GBPJPY would be continuing to push down in respect to this downtrend line, creating new lower low in respect to this bearish run over here. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can see where all these key levels and zones are. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the description. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPJPY.